Hi guys, I'm having poke for lunch.
Hi guys, so back again with me. If you remember from the previous vlog, I bought oats. Anyway, what I was saying is I have 8 and it's so cold outside. It's like 15 degrees, but it feels like 11. That's what weather said. So yeah, I'm gonna go run to my class. Today's weather is very, very much bipolar. I have no clue why. It was really cold. It was raining really hard. And now it's bright. But it's still cold. But yeah, oh, look at the lighting. See, it's really funny. Okay, great.
Guys, this is so cute.
Hi guys, it is currently almost 9:30. It's like 9:20, I think. And I'm going to go out to my meeting, so. Hi guys, good morning. I'm now at work. Yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna eat my bagels and my hot chocolate.
So guys.
It looks like this. So I actually went to U-Haul for my class, but also to pick up a package, and I opened it midway because the package was like really big, and like I was carrying like my bagel and like my hot chocolate from Starbucks, and like yeah. Anyway, let's just open this. This is by the brand Mosito. Well, I'll give you guys a life update. So yes, this morning I had work. Didn't vlog that because I was busy with work. And after that, I directly went to my class and also bought my lunch and everything. But yeah, so it's been a great day so far. I have a test tomorrow, an in-class exam for my politics class, so I actually need to study for that. But yeah, and I just have one more class in about 40 minutes, so yeah. Smoga mote guys, Sona. Please mote, please. Okay, come on. Hey guys, so I just came back from getting dinner and I got Qdoba again, but this time is my first ever time trying their quesadilla. It looks so good, so I wonder how it tastes. The sides, I got guac and sour cream. It looks so good. Okay, first bite without anything.
And suddenly China became.
Hi guys, so I just finished doing everything, like all my night routine, and now I'm gonna study. It's currently exactly 9 p.m. and I'm gonna study for about 2 hours for tomorrow's in-class exam for my politics class. So wish me luck for that. I know, me too. Guys, look at this. This is so good.
She's influenced me. I'm gonna go get it now.
Hey guys, so I just finished Pilates and today was a really hectic day because I had a politics test this morning at 8 a.m. and then I had work, went straight back to campus and quickly grabbed lunch, did my retainer routine, went to class, did my annotation, went straight to Pilates. Now I'm here having dinner outside and doing work as well. The world has to know how good this is. Devoured. So good. This week has been a long week. Quite a tough one. But it's Friday, so yay. I just finished my math test. Hi guys, so I'm back. I got lunch. Today is the first time I got this sandwich in the dining hall. We'll see how that tastes like. And of course, my smoothie, because I was just like vibing it for Friday. I don't know. So here we're gonna... It always tastes and look different every time I get it. Do not know why. I mean, like, how bad can a sandwich be, right? Bread is good. I haven't got the cheese though. Hi guys, so I'm back in my dorm because I was in the library for like a few minutes, like 30-45 minutes. But yeah, I couldn't focus. I wanted to move to other places, but they were like kind of like full. And so yeah, I decided to go back to my dorm and I'm gonna do my work here. Okay. Okay guys, today's dinner is Qdoba again. I bought a bowl again. Yeah. Everything for like $20. Crazy. Nggak masuk? Iya, saya nggak masuk. Are we stupid guys? Nggak tahu. We don't know. We don't know. Apa yang kecil? Nggak mungkin. Mungkin. Hi vlog. Kita lagi makan bakso. Pakai sambal nggak? Enggak. Pedas bener gue. Oh ya? Iya. Akhirnya bohong kan.
Kayaknya last year was rame. It's still one. What is this?
Say hi.
Hi guys. Ayo Vigo, bisa operate.
Hey people.
Hey!
Today has been a great day.
Today has been an amazing day.
We're now off to dinner with the rest.
Yes. With a bunch of people.
It's currently like almost 8.
I know, I'm starving. I haven't had anything since 11 o'clock.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm vlogging too.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Do it!
That's crazy. We were talking about the song.
Yeah. Wow, it just came up through shuffle.
Hi guys, so I just came back from church and I'm having a smoothie and also a sandwich for my brunch. Brightspace has been down the whole day, but then like earlier I received like a notification that like my score has been out, but I'm like so scared to see it because what if it's like actually not there? I don't know. Where do you see it? Where is it? Oh! What are our thoughts, guys?